Hello, everyone. So, this is with regards to something that has been on my mind for quite some time. As you all know, I've gained quite some weight, but it's not too much. I'm still healthy. And I continue to do shoots. And basically, people who know me from childhood know me as a tomboy who never cared how I looked or how others perceived me that much. I mean, it did affect me, but not that much. And I believe I'm kind of still the same. For every person who probably have said, "Oh my God, it's so nice that you're able to model with even your tummy showing out sometimes," in the sense that that you have a tummy, it shows in the dress. There has been people who also said, "Probably you need to lose a little bit of weight because you're modeling. You need to look beautiful." And yeah, both of them are very well-meaning people, and both of them have the best interests at heart for me, and I love both of them. When I say both, like both categories of friends, okay. But then it just occurs to me that the modeling in scenario, the dancing scenario, and the fashion world, or even the normal online content world, what does it celebrate? It celebrates the person in us, right? And the person in us is actually this, with all the flaws. Like, I have no makeup on, I have like scars, I have a tummy, and I have my Joey. So this is basically what I'm representing. There are platforms now for models, and then there are platform for plus size models. But then again, all of us are models by itself, because fashion world is representing dress, beauty, celebrating life, and life is filled of different types of people, right? It's not just the skinny 5859 or gorgeous looking models. It's not just the plus size models. It's everything that comes in between too. And it's not just the Asians. It's not just the people in the US, born and brought up in the US. It's just throughout the world, right? We're representing the world. And when we're representing the world, it also becomes important that we represent not only in our clothing, but also in our minds. And when you're representing diversity is not just different type of races. It's just not the size perfect size zero models versus the plus size models. It's representing everything. It's how powerful can you be, can your personality be, to depict whatever concept that you have ahead of you. I'm just starting out, but then again, I know how inspired I can get by just seeing a model or a fashion icon or a movie artist out there who is doing something that I believe, oh, I could learn from that confidence, I could learn from their way of speaking. That's what we are trying to inspire, or that's what we're trying to do, right, at the end of the day. And that has nothing to do with size, that has nothing to do with color, that has nothing to do with lack of scars. It Yeah, we put makeup on all of these artists, but then again, it makeup can transform anybody in this world, especially with the amazing makeup artists that we have out there. You just you're If you're amused to them, you are gonna look gorgeous at the end of the day. It doesn't matter where you're from and how you think you look, you're gonna look beautiful, or at least the social standards of beautiful at the end of the day. But what you represent, how powerful you are when you represent that makes the entire difference. And sometimes it's important for us to kind of voice out, saying that it is okay to be fat, it's okay to be thin, it's okay to be plus size, because we are all human beings. But then again, it is also okay to keep improving. It is also okay to feel that, oh, you're not up to the mark, because that's what drives you, that's what keeps the world spinning for you, and that's what challenges you to do better. So that's what I wanted to share. For quite some time, and I saw this clip in the bold type, which I'm binging for the past couple of weeks, and I was like, yeah, I think I need to put that message out there for who might listen. Might be one person who thinks I'm right, and the 99 people who thinks I'm wrong. Maybe this is for that one person and the 99 people who thinks I'm wrong. If you can proactively challenge what I'm talking about, please feel free and put your comments right there. Thank you.